Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. There is a phrase commonly said by traditional believers in Africa, most especially in the Yoruba speaking part from Nigeria. The phrase is Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. In this video, I will be breaking this down and justify why truly Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. This phrase, which is a Yoruba language, is a combination of two words. One, Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, and two, Àgbà. What does Ìṣẹ̀ṣe means? Ìṣẹ̀ṣe are traditions in Ifa religion or Yoruba religion, as you may wish to call it, which are being passed down from our ancestors and spiritual forefathers. Having said this, so what does the word Àgbà means? Àgbà is also a Yoruba word which simply means elder. When you hear Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà, it means Ifa traditions or Yoruba traditions or Yoruba religion take the lead. So why Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà? For you to understand my analysis to this question properly, take note of this. In the history of mankind, it is not possible to be the master of a borrowed culture and traditions than the original owner of such culture and traditions. For example, language. Some people may want to contest this, thinking learning a language can make one become a perfect speaker of such language to communicate effectively. This is one of our problems in Africa. We tend to attach common sense with how vast one can speak a foreign language. This is by the way. Let us not deviate from the subject matter of this video. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. Yes, Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. Before the advent of colonization in Africa, we had our own traditions, customs, culture, and in general, our way of lives. But unfortunately, after colonization, we now over-injected borrowed culture and traditions into our system. The biggest of these is religion. I have said this in some of my videos on this channel. We Africans had our own religion before the advent of any foreign religion. Now, for instance, in Yoruba land, which is one of the biggest ethnic groups in Africa, many people who embrace any of these foreign religions still secretly run to Ìṣẹ̀ṣe for solutions to their problems when things get tough. Another popular phrase Yoruba people say is "Ẹtẹsẹ̀lébọ̀." Ẹtẹsẹ̀lébọ̀ is connected to Ìṣẹ̀ṣe. It means go home for solution. Go back to your Ìṣẹ̀ṣe for solution to your problems. This is a clear indication that Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe doesn't make noise. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe do no promotion, but flourishes despite all the campaign against it. Ìbà Olódùmarè, Ìbà Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Thanks to Olódùmarè. If not, we have completely lost our traditional values, our heritage, our way, our religion. When I see how some of my fellow Africans accept that our traditional believers are devil worshippers, it hurts so deeply, simply because we refuse to conform to a foreign religion. How quickly we forgot to understand that we were once enslaved, treated so bad. But fine, the slavery seems to have stopped. Some believe that since the shackles of slavery has been removed, they are free, forgetting that they left us with their religion to control our minds, while condemning our same religion like theirs. I'm so glad to see that our Ìṣẹ̀ṣe doesn't call other religions around the world evil. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe doesn't fight against another belief. Kindly share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.